Okay, this is Alvardao's laundry room, and this is the location where the water heater is. This is existing. Okay, this is all the piping here, the spacing. Here's where the air handling unit is at. Okay. Okay. And the dimensions in here, we have about 32 inches long. We are about 24 inches deep, and the height we are talking about 6 foot to the boxes there, and all the way up is about 96 inches. And that's it for the water heater location and air handling unit in the laundry room at the Alvardao's residence.